every organization has brilliant strategies on paper. But why do so many of them fail when it's time to execute? The answer lies not in the strategy, but in the speed and commitment behind its implementation. So that's what GE's Change Acceleration Process, or CAP, is all about, and making change happen faster and smarter. So developed at General Electric in the early 1990s under Jack Welch, CAP is a practical framework that combines leadership, culture, and process to drive successful transformation. So its central idea can be summarized in one simple formula. Q into A is equal to E, where Q stands for the quality of the technical solution, A stands for acceptance by the people involved, and E is the effectiveness of the change. Q into A is equal to E. So no matter how great your solution Q is, if people don't accept it A, the outcome E will be weak. So the CAP formula is built on 7 key elements that help leaders make change stick. So the first point, leading change. So successful change starts with strong leadership. Leaders must set direction, inspire trust, and model the new behaviors. Second, creating a shared need. People must feel why the change is necessary. Urgency and shared purpose drive momentum. Third, shaping a vision. Everyone must understand what success looks like. A clear, inspiring vision aligns energy and effort. Fourth, mobilizing commitment. Engage key stakeholders early. Build coalitions of support, not just compliance. Fifth, making change last. Reinforce new behaviors through systems, policies, and rewards so the change does not fade away. Sixth, monitoring progress. Track key metrics, celebrate wins, and adjust course quickly when needed. And the last point, changing systems and structures. So, align processes, structures, and culture with the new direction. If systems don't change, people will eventually slip back into old habits. So, the GE CAP model teaches a powerful truth. Even the best ideas fail without emotional buy-in. So, change happens at the speed of acceptance and not just execution. So, in short, the change acceleration process turns change from a project into a movement. It balances logic with emotion, systems with people, and plans with passion.